For today's video, we'll be teaching you how to restore deleted iPhone applications. This video is kind of similar to a video we made where we showed you how to see all of the applications that you've previously downloaded on your phone. First step, open App Store on your phone and on the search tab, search for the application that you want to restore or re-download. Once you've searched the application, just press on the app icon and then press the cloud-like icon that you'll see under the name of the application. This will automatically restore or re-download the application on your phone. Now, you can also go back to your App Store, press the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, press Purchased, and then press My Purchases. Here, you can see all the applications that you've previously downloaded on your phone or other devices, and you can easily restore it or download it by pressing the cloud icon beside the application. Usually, if you've previously downloaded it on your phone, App Store or iPhone will no longer ask you for your Apple ID password once you want to re-download or reinstall it. And that's all you have to do to reinstall an application on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. And as always, we hope to see you again on our next videos.